Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to continue working on part 5 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to start the island and we finished here. Um, as you can see, we have the section move here. We're going to insert first the range the island hood. So let's look for the island hood. It probably is special equipment, domestic, and then high end. And then the hood will be the high island hood right here. Press open, and then now type in CM, and then add it on the center right here. Click on the hood, and then edit, and we need to remove that label. And then once you do that, let's double check here, and we want to see where the island hood, which is below here. Now we need to move it upwards. So let's put it 600 and see. Still not enough. So let's put it at 2000. Under 2000, as you can see, it's not yet above there. So it will look like once we create a floor, it will look like it's over there. So what we need to do is just move it. As you can see, there's an arrow that we could just put it. Maybe later we're going to fix it because we're going to add in the floor and it will be under right here. So we could just move it later on. For now, we just want everything to be up to the level 12, 3000 level so that everything is covered and we see our progress perfectly. Now, what we could do is we could add in some furniture as well, or we could add in the fridge. So let's add the fridge since we're already in the specialty equipment. We need to go back to domestic and then go to mid-range, and then let's add in the fridge. So we have the fridge right here. We could set up which one we want. Let's open this one and then type in CM, and then we have our fridge right here. We can move it all the way to the wall, and then let's move this one something in the middle like this. I don't want to show the label, so I'm just gonna click that and then click on show label, uncheck that. I just want to make sure that this is the wall and then we're not over the wall. So I'm just gonna pull this back, AL, click on here, and then click on there. So everything is proper. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in a pantry as well here, and then a cover for our fridge. So let's do that. We can also add in, so we could load in double oven. So that will be perfect if we put it right here. So let's load that one, CM, type in CM, and let's put it same thing here. Actually, we already have pantry, so I rather just put everything right here, and then the microwave as well. So everything is proper. Let's load this one as well, microwave. So CM, and everything should be lined up like this. Click everything. I don't want to show the label, but if you want, you can just put it if you want. Leave it like those. Now, for me, I'm gonna use this section now. I'm gonna move it right here so that I can see everything like there. Um, we should move this one. So I'm just selecting everything, holding on control so that I can select everything and then just space it out accordingly. So something like that. And then double click here. So as you can see, we need to make amends with our idea here. I think for this one, let's not add this anymore. We should have added right here, but for now, let's just delete it and then just focus on this. Now, what we could do is we're gonna add in an extrusion again. So let's click on architecture, model in place, and then generic model. After that, let's add in an extrusion and then pick a plane, which is this wall. We need to click on the wall and then that covers the stairs. And then after that, once we click that, let's use our rectangle. First, what I do is I cover everything up. So what I do is I click on rectangle and then add these lines on the perimeter of those. The reason that I want that is so that I could build off from there. And then after that, we could add the lines, a slanted line right about here. So I'm just grabbing it here. Okay. And then now we need to delete this. Delete this. We need to connect them both. So TR. So here we need to align this one right here. And the problem that we have is it's going over. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this for now. And we need to create this part and then align this. We could actually just trim this out. TR. And then here we could just cover this out. After that, make sure to change your material. So let's add in maybe another stone. So let's use this granite cut polish. Apply, OK. And then here we could just set it on 25 and then we could pull it out. Let's go to 3D to pull it out. It will be this one. And we want to make sure to just exactly goes there. click finish, and there you have it. That looks proper. So at least we have a case for our fridge and our oven. So now let's add in the furniture. So go to insert, load family, and then now we need to go back to our main here and then click on furniture. Let's do our tables first. So let's do a dining table. CM to load it fast like this. And then let's add it right about here. Click on load again. And then let's go back to table. So furniture, and then go to seating. And then let's add in some seating. Click open and then type in CM once you do. Okay, and then now let's click here and then use our mirror, and then here as well, and then use mirror draw axis. And then highlight all together and then just move it somewhere like that. After that, we could load more. So we need to represent another chair for this, like a bench chair or a bar stool chair. So here we could add maybe 5 because this is a big island. And let's select everything and then just move it on the left side. So that looks proper. Okay. So let's load more family. Let's use this seating as well. So CM, so let's save this and type in CM. And let's add it right here and right here. What we could do then is select both of them, or we could just press escape, select one of them, edit type, and then we could basically change the depth right here. So we could change this to around 600, like apply, and then okay. Now it's basically a better, because that one is too big to start. So you could just add it like that, and then let's add the sofa, and then type in CM, and then add it right here, and then similar to that we could change this to 600. Now we could see the problem that we created. Basically this one is too big for the island, so the spacing is a problem here. What we could do is we could remove this one and then just move everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to our section or our 3D and then just estimate everything. What we could do is we could use a line here so that everything is on the right plane, and then now we could just move this both on the middle. So at least our spacing is resolved by just um, deleting one of them. And then we have a lot of space on this side and then on this side now. And then let's add in some tables. So go back to furniture and then table, and let's look for the coffee table, which is right here, and then type in CM to load it, press escape, and then change it to a different size. Here it's too big, but we could edit this. We could duplicate and we could just put in edited coffee table. And then here we could change the width. So let's do around 800 only. And then length, let's change this to probably 1600. Press OK. And it feels really big. Let's try and rotate this. So you can press RO or just rotate it like that. You can even type in 90 just to be sure that it's 90. And then now let's edit the width again. So this one, I'm gonna change this to 1300. So at least the spacing is better. So something like that. We could also change the perspective here. We can actually add this two on this side and this one on this side. So let's do that instead. So I'm gonna select here. I think that's the spacing will be better if we do this. And then we could have the face on right here. So we have the island, and then we could just put 90. And then select both of them and then just. So now the spacing, we have a better spacing, a better room for everything, as you can see. And then now we could add in the TV. So go back to furniture. And then here we have the flat screen. Let's just type in CM again. And then just select that back and then just put in the biggest that we have there. And that will be fine. Let's add again a table. So this will be the nightstand. And then let's add it right here. And then let's add a light. So go back to the main and then go to lighting, architecture, internal, and then we have some table lamps right here that will be perfect for this one. So CM, and then before you place it there, just put in 650. I believe that's good enough. I was just estimating the height of the test, but yeah, if you need to see it better, you could just put in the section and double click, and you will see that it's not actually 650, but instead you need to put 762. So now just click that 762, and there you have it. It will be placed exactly at the top. You can even just move it from the elevation. So you can do two things like that. And just double check everything. And let's continue on the next video. So thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.